Time for the newly released Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3 multiplayer. 1080p resolution. We have NVIDIA Reflex on plus boost. For the quality settings, DLSS is set to quality. Here are the rest of the settings. And for the view, max FOV 120. Let's do it. All right, brothers, quick and clean, no mercy. We're winning this. Trying to get my kill streak. Oh! Did you guys not see that guy? Oh my god. Ah, shit.
Target down.
We just need 2 more kills for that juggernaut. 1 more. No!
Blood for blood. Target down. I just said to run.
Oh my goodness, we got the damn jug. Oh yeah, baby. Time to kick ass! Oh, I've been waiting for this moment. Oh, taste my lead, punk! Where's the next one? Let's go. Oh, boy. Woo! Welcome to my lobby, boys! I'm invincible! Oh, you can't kill me. Oh, shoot! No! Okay, the fun's over. That was awesome. Yeah! Let's go! Performance was awesome. We were hitting 144 for the 144 monitors, and we got the jug kill streak. All right, now we're gonna test out Warzone 2. Settings for Warzone 2, 1080p resolution once again. Here are the quality settings. NVIDIA DLSS is set to quality again. And for Reflex, it's also on plus boost right here. In the view, 120 max. Let's do it. Here we go, brothers. Wish me luck. Oh, this guy. Fudger. That's what you get for taking my bounty, punk! Back to the respawn you go. Ah! No, please! Mercy, mercy! That's the definition of karma. Got the high ground, gentlemen. Oh, I just saw him. Oh, wow, he's just hiding there? What's up, punk? Back to the respawn you go. Bro, we're gonna land right here. We should be all right. Oh my god, bro. Oh, this guy died. I was dying to this. Oh, woo! Let's go, baby! That was an awesome game, guys. Well, the performance, I am not disappointed. It only performs, I don't know, it kind of looks like it performs the same as Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3 multiplayer. All right, guys, next game. Settings for Halo Infinite. 90 FOV, 1080p resolution, and we have our medium graphic settings preset, and these settings are set to that. Let's jump into it. Here we go. Let's do it. Let's get the dub. Oh my god. What the? And I killed myself. But I took the guy that was in front of me out with me. Oh, that was lucky. Oh, I still got you, son. Let's go. Come on, guys. Help me. That's right, baby. That's how we do it. Now let's score this damn thing. Gotcha. Sucker. Oh, they're attacking hard now. Oh my god, get the flag! score it, you dummies! Oh my God, you. Oh, that was so close, dude. They were about to screw that up real good. If I get her on the lift, I may have a chance. Oh, shoot. Come on, come on. Escort him. Okay, we got their flag. Come on, dude. It's up to you, teammate. You got to get him. Crap. I just pressed my DPI button. I pressed my DPI button and it went up. No, he was one shot. There it is. See, I pressed that on accident. Oh, man. Performance is good. That was a fun match. We came back for the tie, but we ended up losing at the end. But that was gnarly. That was a good match. Next game. Settings for Apex Legends. 1080p resolution. Max FOV at 110. Reflexes on enable plus boost. Here are the rest of the settings. Let's do this. Oh, my. No, no, leave me alone. Ooh. Didn't expect this, punk. Oh my goodness, one chamber. Ah, no. Someone kill him. Get that mofo. Take those nades, buddy. Oh! Ooh, boy, got you. This world is straight off the mark. The energy's right, I follow the path. Unload yourself, there's no one to walk. No one to touch, take off the marks. Don't worry, protest the past. Just live, stop taking this love to give. Stop living, then learn to forgive. I'll carry on doing my thing. I'll carry on doing take my nades. Oh, I got MVP. Next game. Settings for the newly released Counter-Strike 2. 1080p resolution. For the advanced video, here are the settings. Let's do it. Oh, behind us, flank. That's right, punk. Ha, loser. Ha, sucker. Good job, guys. We blew them to hell. Ah! No scope. Come on, right behind you, poop.
Wait, no, purple's getting.
No scope in, poop. Yeah, let's go. Oh my God, bro. No way, Derek. Come on, bro. He was one pinky of.
Hey, I hit him, bro.
Oh.
Oh, shit.
Damn, man. We did it again, Derek. Twice in the same match. Could you believe it? I'm on plan A.
Two of them are a connector.
Yeah, baby. Good job, boys. Settings for Rainbow Six Siege, 1080p resolution, max FOV set to 90. Here are the graphics settings. Here we go. Sucker. Woo. Oh no! Alright, we took down 3. That was a good round. No! It didn't work this time. Later, loser. Budge out in my lobby, boy. What? Oh, shoot, I shot my teammate. All right, team, let's bring it home, baby. Get him! Good job, good job. Do not throw this. Do not throw this. Stick together. Oh my goodness. Good job. We won. That's me, baby. I need to spend some money on the store so I can get some cool winning dance. All right, guys, that's a wrap. Thanks for watching till the end. I appreciate all you guys' support. I'll catch you guys in the next build. Comment down below what other kind of builds you guys want to see, the budgets and the part combinations. Remember, check out creatorhq.com because all creator tees are currently on sale. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.